right, so I got my second Paletteful Pack box. Feels very heavy, so I don't know what's in it. I'm petrified it's going to be something I hate, like pastels or something, but whatever it is, I will use it and make something. Ooh, I've got canvases. It's paint. Oh. Okay. There's a little canvas. Oh my God, fluorescent paint. What am I going to do with this? Oh no. All right, let me... Is that everything? Okay. So I got a brush. I'll get 2 brushes, 2 flats, a 10 and a 4. Robert Simmons. Posca marker. Fluorescent yellow. This is just glow in the dark. Oh, magic black light. That's interesting. It doesn't work. Oh, you're gonna put batteries in it? I'm guessing. Yes. What does it need? And, oh, that works. Okay, it does work. That's good. And we got a little, I don't know, what is this? 2.6 by 2.6, a black canvas, mixed media, oh, black. Mixed media black pad. And got a cute little sticker. Looks like Valentine's Day. Oh, that's really cute. And 3-pack of canvas panels, 8 by 7. And these are the paints. So system 3, so fluorescent red, blue, pink, and green. What am I gonna do with these colors? At least it's paint. It's better than pastels. Let's see. Open this up. Okay. I gotta come up with some ideas. Never been big on fluorescent. We can try this though, this Posca pen. Let's see. Wow. All right, I'm gonna hit the lights and see if the black, oh, because it's really bright in here, but, oh yeah, oh, that's really cool. It does light it up a little bit, so. Okay. All right, so I gotta come up with something. Should I do something on all 3? Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll do something on all 3 of these things. Well, I've already done this. So. That's probably all I can do because I don't think this is gonna, it's pretty thick, but I don't know if it'll take paint, but I'll give it a try. All right. So I will be back with what I create, and that's it. So we'll see you in a little bit. All right. I guess everything in here is that Dallo Rowney, which is probably my least favorite brand. I just never like them. But at least I come up with something. Except for the Posca. The Poscas are always good. So this is what I came up with. I kind of wish that I had, that I wish I could, I almost threw a white in there just because I wanted it a little more, you know, being able to highlight, and I had a hard time coming up with the dark. I just mixed a bunch of stuff together to try to get the darkest shade because I really wasn't getting enough, what's the word? Oh, but at least I got a brown, kinda. And I wish that I had, instead of this, gotten a yellow paint. I found the paint was a little bit thin, but I guess you would expect that with fluorescent paint, and it stinks. I just don't like the smell, but I guess they all smell like that. So let's shut this off and see what it looks like. Yeah, so it actually is kind of cool. I did the background with the pink and the red mixed together. I really like that loose kind of rough look to it. So yeah. I don't know if you can see it that well. Let me shine it like that, maybe. All right, and the next, well, I did this little kitty. Hey, kitty. Let's see. Because I have a little, I'll put a picture in. I just got this, well, fake neon light from Temu, and it's got that little kitty face. I just got it, and I just love it. I think it's adorable. And what did I do on the paper? I don't think I did anything but that, oh, I did this thing. I did kind of a cat, but yeah, I mean, I didn't try the paint on this. I don't know if the paint would work. Yeah, let's put some paint down. Yeah, I guess it does work. So it is kind of cool. I didn't use the brushes only because they're flats, and I don't normally work with flats. I like the filberts, or I like a round brush. But yeah, that's what I came up with. Put those back on. So that and this for the canvases, and then I didn't do anything in here. I suppose I could work on this and see if I could come up with something. Maybe I'll finish that up. All right. Well, that was just really quick, but yeah, let me shut that off again. Yeah, look how cool that looks. This paper's really good. This is Strathmore Black Mixed Media, but it holds up to paint really well. It's nice and thick, so I do recommend the paper. And actually, the boards weren't bad. And these little things, they're good for little things, I guess, but you know, they're not stapled or anything. So, but yeah, and the Posca. Yeah, I'm just not a big fan of this Daler-Rowney. I got some ink from them once, and it was terrible. I mean, it just may be that they're fluorescent, and they just, but it is kind of fun. Yeah, I actually like the way everything came out. So, anyway, that's my take on it. I haven't tried the brushes, but I'm sure they're fine. They seem nice. There's the little one. There was 2 of them. Yeah, those seem fine. And I do use them occasionally for acrylic, but it's just if I'm working small, you know. I wanted to see if I could kind of go over the paint. Yeah, you can. The Posca will actually paint over stuff that's painted, so get a cleaner outline. Oh, cool. All right. So that's it. Hope that was interesting. I have one more box coming next month, and I'm not sure if I'm going to continue with the subscription, but we'll see. All right, see you next time. Bye.